thought I'd make a quick video for anybody who's had the same problem. So my daughter broke the headphones off into the jack on the iPad here. And I tried various things. People suggested using the super glue to try to glue a toothpick or something to the whatever's in there. And other people tell you use a little straw, use a piece of the pen. But I'll tell you what really worked. And so if you have a Dremel, you need the smallest drill bit right there. Drill into the broken off jack, which looks like this. There it is, broken off. I was able to get it out. And so once it's in there, broken, drill a hole into it. I don't know if you can see that tiny hole there. And then shove a push pin into it, wedge it in there, and it will come right out.